With Harley Brand, the smiling Harley, turning 4 years old. A very happy birthday to you, kiddo, in Pittsburgh.
Nora Painter celebrating the big 5. Happy birthday to Nora in Pittsburgh.
We also have the big number 5 for Oakland Johnson. I'm a big Visor fan myself there, kiddo. Oakland, have a great day in Oswego.
All right. Brennan Smith turning 6 years old this year in Chanute. Brennan's birthday was actually on Saturday.
What does that shirt say?
Ready to rock kindergarten.
I like that.
He did. I bet he did.
I like that. Tristan Thompson. Tristan turning the number 8. Speaking of great hats, you wear it well, kiddo. This comes with love from mom, dad, and your sisters. Tristan is in Galena.
Christina Hoy turning 13 years old in Knoll with love from mom, dad, Sadie, and Junior.
Owen Roberts celebrating the 15th birthday. Owen actually had his birthday last week, but we carried it into the weekend. And if you see Owen out at school in Columbus, I want everybody to wish him a happy birthday once again.
All right, Mac Leonard turning sweet 16 this year. Mac's celebrating in Iola, Kansas.
Little Mustang pride right there. Little Gerard Trojan pride in the Sweet 16 for Miss Ainsley Norton, who is Tanya Bach.
Outstanding in her field.
Yes, Miss Ainsley, you are. A very happy 16th to you.
I love those sunflowers. Great picture there. And we've got Harmony Cundiff celebrating birthday number 22 this year. Happy birthday, Harmony, in Carl Junction.
Let's run to Pittsburgh, because that's where we find Dylan Smith celebrating his 26th. Happy birthday, Dylan.
All right, Angie Lewis in Parsons turning 49 years old this year. It's a fun photo there for Angie.
In Columbus, a big friend of the show, it's Mr. Corkis. Corky celebrating the big 8-0. A very happy birthday, son.
All right, birthday wishes coming from your wife, Mr. Pete Crawford, turning 81 years old this year in Joplin.
Pete, that is a big cat.
Is the cat like growling at the camera too?
I tell you what, when you go to the Crawford house, let Pete corral the cat first. Because that is a big cat. And I bet Pete spoils it as well. I guarantee you. Hey, it's Sue Trim's 90th birthday. My goodness. Sue, a very happy birthday to you. That's a long time no see right there. Miss Trim, she is in Thayer, and we will find out. We will find out if it meant a trip to Big Ed's.
All right. And Becky Ross celebrating a birthday in Riverton. Happy birthday, right, Becky? I hope you had a great one.
We've got a 63rd anniversary. That's right, 63 years for Kenneth and Marilyn Frobisch. Marvelous picture, and congratulations to the Frobisches as they celebrate in Columbus.
Oh, and KOAM's very own Haley Barnett celebrating a birthday today.
Oh yeah, who that is?
Yeah, see her for all your advertising needs. There you go.
I saw Peyton on there, Haley, forgive me. I didn't see you right above him. Happy birthday, Haley. And Peyton Holloway, one of our KOAM evening producers, does a fine job. Former morning show family member. Mm-hmm. We still claim you.
He went to the night side.
We'll still put you on the birthday list.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to Peyton. Sharp dressed dude right there.
Yeah, looking good there. And finally, last but not least, we'll give him a page of his own. Ross King in Columbus. Happy birthday to you.
A screen all to yourself right there, Ross. Happy birthday. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this February the 21st. Or perhaps, just like who are we catching up with? We caught up with Brennan and we caught up with Owen, because we're going to carry it on through President's Day, it being a holiday. That's where you can send them into, birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. And speaking of, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up to the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Look at this beautiful shot right here. We'll